Hello, everyone. I'm Chell Roberts, Dean of the Shiley-Marcos School of Engineering, and I'm excited that you're joining us here today. This is an opportunity for us, through an open house, to honor those who are graduating. Welcome parents, welcome students, and welcome guests to this exciting time. We're so proud of all that you've accomplished. Many of you have spent 4.5, or 5 years studying here. You've had the resilience of engineering students to make it through that period of time, but also some of you have had to work through this COVID period and take classes remotely, including senior design, which is a great challenge. But you've persevered and you've made it because you're change-making engineers. I believe that right now, engineers and computing professionals are very important because they're the people who can solve the problems that we're having, not only now, but into the future. You can make an incredible difference in your lives. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of our faculty. You have values, you have curiosity, you have inspiration. I'd like to also welcome you to the Alumni Association. Now, this is not really a graduation ceremony. We're going to have a graduation ceremony in October, but it is an opportunity to say goodbye to your faculty, to talk with each other, and to at least celebrate those moments before the formal graduation. We hope you return and enjoy us. But for now, enjoy this wonderful day.
Hi, I'm Rick Olson, the Associate Dean in the Shiley-Marcos School of Engineering. When the jacaranda blooms, it's a sign on campus that the spring semester is almost over and the seniors will be graduating, moving on to new careers, graduate school, or following other pursuits. Normally in the last weeks, there are several events where faculty and staff have the opportunity to connect with the students and find out what they're going to be doing next, congratulate them, wish them well, and send them on their way. Of course, this year, most of those events were canceled, so we decided to create this virtual event so we can have an opportunity to share some of those common experiences that we'd normally have in person. I hope you'll have the opportunity to talk to the faculty in your area, but I hope that you'll also have the opportunity to talk to some of the staff or faculty in other areas that you haven't talked to in the last couple of months. I know that all of those people would like the opportunity to congratulate you, wish you well, and give you a virtual hug or a handshake. One of the traditions that we have in the school is that at commencement, all the graduates meet behind the JCP for a group photo with the faculty. This year, that's going to have to wait a couple of months, but we hope that when it does happen, that you'll be able to make it and you'll be able to be part of that picture. At that time, the faculty will be happy to give you a genuine handshake and genuine hug. In the meantime, congratulations on reaching this milestone. I'm really excited to hear about some of the things that you're going to do next. Now go out there and do something awesome.
Congratulations, graduates, you made it. Thanks for all your hard work and sharing your time with us. We're really proud of you. Congratulations.
Congratulations, everybody.
Hey, class of 2020, you did it! Woo!
Congratulations, everyone.
Great job, you're done.
Congratulations, graduates. I wish you success in all your endeavors. Please keep in touch.
Congratulations, so proud of you.
Congratulations, everyone. You did it. We're so proud of you.
Congratulations, I am proud of you.
Congratulations to our class of 2020. I know you've learned to never stop learning. I'm excited for you and your future. Looking forward to seeing how each of you move forward from your first professional home at USD.
Congrats, ISC seniors. Good luck. I know you do well.
To the class of 2020.
Congrats, you did it.
Congratulations, class of 2020, and welcome to the USD Alumni Association. Woohoo!
I, Rhonda Harley, would like to extend a personal congratulations to you all. I've enjoyed seeing all of your successes throughout your undergraduate careers, and now the future is so bright for you. You earned this, you deserve it. Congratulations to the class of 2020. Cheers.